Hey there, my name's Josiah. Today we'll be talking about how to create sections with the WebbFenix web builder. There are two ways to create sections. One, hover over the top of a section and click on the addition sign. This will add a new section. There are plenty of sections to choose from, as you can see, but since most of those are self-explanatory, I'll move on to the second one. But first, as you notice, hover over to the top right of the page and you'll notice a grid symbol. If you click on this, you'll actually be able to see these sections in grid view instead of list view. This may be easier for you to select a section. Now let's move over to the second way of adding sections. Now the second way of adding a section is to click on another section and then you'll notice section settings if you hover over it. Now hover over to the two dots and then you'll see a plus symbol. Click on the plus symbol and you'll be able to add another section. It's as simple as that. Head over to our learning center over at WebbFenix/learning for more. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching.